running into trust errors, or need to install a digital certificate on your machine. Understanding CERT files is critical for anyone managing secure connections. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening, installing, and verifying these security certificate files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like CERT. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. CERT files are digital security certificate files containing X509 public key certificates used to verify the identity of website servers or individuals in encrypted communications. They store the public key holder identity issuer, signature, and validity period for SSL, TLS, and code signing operations. CERT files are digital security certificate files containing X509 public key certificates used to verify the identity of website servers or individuals in encrypted communications. They store the public key holder identity issuer, signature, and validity period for SSL, TLS, and code signing operations. Official support for CERT is primarily provided through Microsoft Management Console, MMC, from Microsoft Corporation. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows avoids exposing these files' contents since incorrect edits harm the system. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the CERT file and hit Open With. Use Microsoft Management Console, MMC, if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the CERT file is still giving you trouble, relax. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, check the certificate encoding. Open the CERT file in a text editor. If it begins with Begin Certificate, it is PEM encoded. If it shows binary gibberish, it is DIR encoded. Identifying the encoding determines which import method and tools you need to use for installation. Next, install the certificate. On Windows, double-click the CERT file to launch the certificate import wizard and follow the prompts to place it in the appropriate store, such as Trusted Root or Personal. On macOS, open Keychain Access and drag the file into the system or login keychain, then set trust permissions. Finally, verify trust chain. After installation, open your browser or System Certificate Manager to confirm the certificate appears and shows a valid trust chain. Check the expiration date issuer and intended purpose fields. Use OpenSSL X509 in file.cert. Text. Note from the command line for detailed inspection. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.